Tonight, 25 Sports reporter Jack Allen is live in Travis County, where one Central Texas high school is trying to make another run at state. Jack?
When I spoke to Mart head coach Kevin Hoffman at the beginning of the season, he talked a lot about the Panthers' championship routine. It's the thing that brought them back to back state championships in the last 3 years. But with COVID-19 throwing just about every routine out the window, there was some uncertainty, a little bit, about whether the Panthers could do it again this year. Tonight, Mart trying to play for a spot in the 4th straight title game, taking on Falls City. First quarter, Mart was playing like Mart does. Rodrell Freeman running quarterback power. He plunges up the middle and gets to the 1-yard line. And then Freeman books a ticket on the shortest flight ever, up and over. The Panthers led by 6. Next drive, Freeman again, this time with his arm. He airs it deep to DeTravion Medlock. Get used to hearing that last name. There's 3 of them on the Panthers. He turns on the Jets, 79 yards for the score. That made it 13-0. Like I said, Mart was Mart all night. This is what they do. The Panthers blow the doors off of Falls City to make it back to AT&T Stadium yet again.
This is the expectations that we've had for this team, since last year. We got to where we wanted. We've stayed healthy. We've fought off all this COVID stuff, and we're going back to the state championship.